Hi, we are Technovation 5 and here's our app, Optimist. Optimist is an app designed to prevent suicide, especially targeted among teenagers. As these problems are more and more common in the society, we have decided to create an app to let teenagers voice out their needs when they feel the need to. So let's take a look at our app. This is the main page of our app. At the top part, there's the introduction of our app Optimist. As we scroll down, we can see a quote, and at the bottom part, we can see some Hongkong organizations that users can call to when they are depressed or would want to seek help. So, we have provided the hotlines as well as emails so that users can contact the organizations conveniently. At the bottom part, there are 3 buttons, quiz, tic-tac-toe, and space invader. Let's first look at the quiz. So this is a suicidal test, and by doing this test, users will know whether they have suicidal desires or not. So let's go by pressing the start button. So there are 15 yes-no questions in this quiz. Users have to complete every question and count the number of yes in their result. So for example, the total number of yes is 9. After this, they have to press the next button.
The total number of yes is 9. Please check your result.
So this will bring them to another page, which shows the result of the number of 9 yeses. So with different numbers, they will show different results accordingly. So let's go back to the home page. Now let's look at the tic-tac-toe. So this tic-tac-toe is to just release stress among teenagers or users. They can find a friend to play with them. So for example, let's start the game with pressing the middle box. So when the second player plays, they have to tap the box twice in order to show a different image. For example, just like this. So they can continue the game. And so the second player wins. By pressing the reset button at the left-hand side, everything will gone and they can start again. By pressing the back button, we can go back to the main page. Let's look at Space Invaders. So this app is that if the bullet touches the UFO, and then they have marks. And the aim of this game is that users can shoot down all worries and problems that cannot be solved and chase them away and just throw them to the space. Let's go. So for this, they can press the rocket and the bullet will come out. Once the bullet touches the UFO, the score will be increased by 1. So now the user has 2 marks and now 3 marks. So if they want to reset it and do it again, they can press the reset button. And so the score becomes 0. So this is how our app Optimist looks like. Don't risk. Use Optimist. Thank you.